Hey, this is Alan with Uleadz, the all-in-one software to help you grow and organize your home service business. In this video, we'll dive into tickets and how easy it is to create them. Here, on the lowest left-hand side of your Uleadz feature side panel, you'll find the new ticket highlight. Go ahead and click on the highlight. Automatically, right after clicking on New Ticket, you'll have a display message appear that reads, "Select a job source or start typing." In this drop-down selector, you can input the source that corresponds to the ticket you're currently creating. For this example, let's assume I'm associating this ticket with Google Ads. Let's press OK. Great. On the top side of your screen, you'll now have the job source displayed along with the ticket number and the current ticket status. Details. Now let's adjust the details of your ticket. Type in the full name of your client. We'll create this ticket for client Esther Gonzalez. Now, let's type in her phone number. She doesn't have an extension, so we'll leave this blank. But you can specify if you ever need to do so for your clients. Perfect. And their best email address, esther123@gmail.com. Next to the client details, we have their address information. Let's go ahead and fill in their address, city, and zip code. When the address is filled out properly, you can even select the location icon to have a direct access view via maps of where exactly they're located. For the job details, you can edit the start date and time or the scheduled date and time should this be a scheduled activity. Should there roughly be a particular time the job should last, you can specify that in the days, hours, and minutes boxes below. Any notes you might have can be added as needed in the note box. The close date can be adjusted, and since the job associated with this ticket will only take about 1 hour, we can set the close date on the same day the job was set to start. The status will automatically change as the ticket is worked. Associate the job type depending on the type of job this ticket belongs to. We'll select business log change for our client Esther Gonzalez. And we will assign one of our top technicians for the job, Abraham. Associate any specific tag you may feel fitting for this ticket. Say if it applies for a promotion, if the client will have a discount honored, or develop a new tag and customize the tag as needed. Next, we have the finance section of your ticket creation. Establish the total for the job that is going to be done. Alright, now the revenue split. What will be your technician's cut? Your technician's cut will already be predetermined based on your tech settings, which we will be overviewing as well. You'll have access to pre-establish a set fee or percentage for your techs or override them completely on holidays or specific cases. Got it. In the payment section, the amount for the job will already be set here. Select the payment method, card, cash, check. Go ahead and also establish a payment due date and any particular important notes. Parts. Will any parts be needed for this job? If so, you can establish the quantity, the name of the pieces, the price, and if it was the company or the technician that provided the part, plus any additional helpful notes. Right off the bat, you'll have a finance total report that establishes the total monetary amount generated by the job. And the company cut along with the technician's cut, payment fees, rates and totals broken down below. Next is the messages part associated with the ticket. Should there be text involved going back and forth, this way you can reference them in the future if need be. Need even more control over what happens with the ticket? Check the history if you ever need to check up on past changes made to the ticket. We've got you access to that too. Create and provide estimates and invoices in a breeze. Estimates when it's time to provide quotes, invoices for when it's time to request payment. Provided estimates and invoices linked with this ticket will be shown below, but you can always create them. Each estimate and invoice will have a unique numeric ID for your easy lookup. And just like magic, your ticket has now officially been submitted, ready to be worked and attended. Now sit back, relax, and watch how Uleadz makes your life easier with this and dozens of new features constantly being added just for you.